I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Google Gemini on Ubuntu operating system. So there, I'm going to open this place terminal. Let's increase the size. Now here, we need to first check here, is it git install or not. So for this one, going to write there git -v. Then git version 22.43 that is installed. Now let's check the Node version. So Node is already installed. The version is 22. So Gemini that support 22 and higher version. Let's check with npm. So npm-v it's already installed. Now with the help of this npm that's going to install the Google Gemini. So here let's paste this npm install -g Google Gemini, and now simply you need to press enter. So by using this npm that's going to install the Google Gemini inside Ubuntu operating system. So for this one net should be there because this will do some download as well as install. This here added 631 package. Okay, and this Gemini that install, let's use the killer command writing this place Gemini --version. Then you can see there 0.27.3 version that I just installed. To open the Gemini, you need to write there Gemini there and wait for a few seconds. Now this open there. You have three options: login with Google, use Gemini API key, or Vertex AI. So first option that's selected, press enter. Now this here you can see this place, or you need to do the sign in. Okay, after that you can easily use their Gemini inside the Ubuntu operating system.